continue. Next. Should be the right size, baby. Okay, next. Right size, please. Right size. Don't keep messing around. Sige na. Do the 3 again, babe, so that it's the right size. That's not the right size, oh. You just copied the previous one. Sige. Very good. Next. Properly, properly. 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 Sige, next. Continue. Yani, focus. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Yeah, do it again. So do it properly, huh?
Good for you, baby.
Sige, go. You trace the other one, okay? It's erased na. Sige, continue. Draw the 6 properly. Make a 6 properly. Next. 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 Okay, good. Next. Oh, there's still a lot, oh. More than 1 hour na nag-answer.
Yani,
That's not 3.
you're very slow, huh?
She's not slow, she's silly.
It's not time for silliness, anak. There's a time for silliness later if you wanna play. Now it's time for being serious, okay? It's for your own good. We're training you.
Teacher said it's okay
Focus.
to sing. Jingle bells, 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 jingle all the way. All next Wanda is to ride in one open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All next Wanda is to ride in one open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All my fun that is to ride in a one open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle. I'm gonna erase this. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Continue. Continue your song, Elsa.
Jingle all the way. Oh, my friend is the rest in one open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells,
Focus.
jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, my
Focus.
friend is the rest in one open sleigh.
Eyes on your paper.
Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, my fun that is to ride in one open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Not again.
Because you don't wear slippers.
Oh.
Sige na, continue.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in an open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in an
Continue.
open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Hey!
Oh. It's the ride in a one open sleigh.
Focus lagi. Do not kuan. You already know this, man. How will teacher know that you're very good if you don't answer it properly? Huh? Huh? How will teacher know that you're very good? Mommy knows you're very good. Daddy knows you're very good. But your teacher doesn't know.
You have to show your teacher.
Huh? You have to show it there. Continue.
Teacher does know.
She doesn't. She thinks you're very silly. Because you keep playing while they're answering. Again, do it again. Sige, continue. No silly stuff first. Just 1 hour of no silly stuff. Sige, continue. You can have fun afterwards. Continue. Very good. Continue. Next. Next. Almost there. Very good. Very good. Continue.
Even my love. What'd you say? I said,
Good.
Kiss all over.
Kiss all over when you're done. Okay, go. Continue. Come on, focus. That's nice. That's nice. That's the correct size. Very good. Very good. Next. Next. That's good na. Sige na, focus first. That's like what we do when we take a bath together. That's nice. Continue. That's already nice na. You didn't do it nicely this time. Continue. Good. Continue. Focus, babe. Focus. You're almost done. 3 more pages. Later. Where are you going? What's on the order? What's on?
9, 14, 13.
Daddy, why don't you use your cell phone to order?
Come on.
Daddy, why don't you use your cell phone to order?
Next. Come on.
It's for Ranger.
It's an order. Somebody else needs it. Yeah, you should have been going with Daddy now if you're done.
Yeah.
Should have been walking outside with Daddy or riding the motorcycle. But since you're not yet done, you will have to finish it.
Daddy, you don't have to wait.
No, Daddy will not wait. You're overtime na. Hmm? Sige na. There's still 2 more.
Yes!
Faster.
Do you feel alright? Oh, don't you cry. Do you feel alright? Oh, don't you cry. Do you feel alright? So don't you cry.
No, no, no.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
Hurry. You're too late.
No, Daddy's not leaving yet. Look.
Let's see if you can hurry up then. How long do you think it'll take, Mommy?
I'm not sure.
Me too. Oops.
Because when I'm ready here, I could not wait. I will not wait for you anymore.
Don't wait for Yan.
Still too long, huh? You still have many things to do.
Yeah.
Even friends and somebody dance unexpectedly. Just a little change will be soon.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Can I take for your name? A surprise. Where are you going? Mommy, is she going?
We're not yet done with this one, huh?
There's 2 more. Another 10 minutes.
Daddy, don't.
Another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes. We'll go walking outside later. Huh? You wanna go walking later? Huh? How about us later? Let's go very good, Mama. Huh? Okay? I didn't
Sit down
hear
here
you.
na.
I didn't hear you say yes. The deal is
Put the
up.
time ended on. Put the time ended.
I didn't hear you say yes, baby.
Part 2 here. And then 1:30. See, you answered in an hour now. 30 there.
It's too long.
You're supposed to finish that in 20 minutes. Over there. There lagi. 0. You don't know how to write 30?
Oh.
Okay, this time we will be reading this one, okay? Okay, out loud. 1,
Ah.
2, 3, go.
Ah. And. Wow.
Here we go.
Ah. Wow. Ah. You. Why?
Away. Again, huh? 1, 2, 3, go.
And ran.
Look at the sound.
Y.
Away.
Away. Big. Blue. Can.
Come.
Come. Down.
Okay, very good.
What does it mean?
No, it's not a sentence. These are the series of words. Okay?
And ran
Away.
away. Big. Blue. Can. Come. Down.
Again.
And away. Big. Blue. Away. Can. Come. Down.
Very good. Fine.
Fine. R.
For.
For.
Funny.
Funny. Find. For. Funny. Goes. Away. Go. Hop.
Help.
Help.
Achoo. What's this?
Hi.
Here.
Here.
What's this?
Help. Here. And
This is.
I.
Okay, very good.
It's a sneeze.
No.
Here.
This is here. This one.
In. Sa.
No.
In.
This one now.
Sin.
No. Is.
Is.
Then.
Tin.
It.
It.
Okay, what's
Look,
this?
you erased it.
Yeah, it's okay. Ah, you erased it somewhere. What's this? What's this, babe?
Find. For.
Funny.
Funny. Away. And. Blue. Big. Can. Come. Down. Go. Help. Here. In. I. In. It is tin. In. It.
Very good.
Here. Help. Go. Funny. Ran. Far. Far.
For.
For. Help. Find. Help.
You did this already.
Funny.
Very good.
Help. Here. Blue. Can. Calm down. Blue. Big.
side.
You. Why?
Away.
Away.
That's this.
Away.
Where are you going?
I'm going to poop upstairs.
Okay.